Sanctuary, a place of pure relaxation. Immerse yourself in tranquility. Illuminate your inner peace. Embody the fullness of life. Start living the moments to create the memories that last a lifetime. Rediscover each other. Allow your natural instincts for adventure to take flight. Campestres at Cascada, the perfect place to bring your passions to life. Campestres at Cascada. Campestres living brings the exclusive and unique concept of taking outdoor living and entertaining to unparalleled heights. Dream big, start small. Enjoy this gorgeous, one-of-a-kind hill country community where you will feel the magical atmosphere of your own breathtaking suite. Experience the freedom and versatility of a unique bungalow that fits your lifestyle. Fall in love with the charm and convenience of the Cascada, or move straight into the grand home of your dreams, never compromising on quality or luxury. Whether it's your primary home, weekend, or vacation getaway, this unique and magnificent community allows you space to reconnect with yourself and your loved ones. Campestres at Cascada, memories for a lifetime.